Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials. Power down the device and remove the battery to prevent shorts. Once done, attach an anti-static strap and position your screwdriver. You need to find the camera housing or bezel. Make sure to note any visible screws or clips. Begin by releasing the smallest fasteners first to avoid damage. As you open the casing, keep parts organized in a tray so you can reverse the process cleanly. This saves time and prevents lost screws. You'll now remove the old camera. Gently flip up the ribbon latch or slide the connector out because force will tear the cable. Once disconnected, unscrew the module's mounts and lift it straight out to avoid bending contacts. Insert the replacement module, aligning both pins and screw holes. Tightening screws evenly prevents stress. Reinsert the ribbon cable straight and lock the latch. You should feel a subtle click. Double-check that the sensor sits flush so focus and alignment remain accurate. Finish by reassembling the housing in reverse order, replacing screws where they belong so you don't strip threads. Power the device on and run a quick camera test. Check autofocus, exposure, and that the image is centered. If the camera fails or shows artifacts, first power down and reseat the ribbon cable. Make sure no debris or pin misalignment exists. If that doesn't help, update firmware or drivers and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: a loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.